today we're going to be playing the strongest battlegrounds again. I got banned again. My username is My username is Danos_SquidGame975. It's pretty long, but let's play the strongest battleground. And I got banned. I have only 2 kills and stuff. So because of that, let's go to the servers. I made a private server. Let's go and try. I have only one friend. Only one. Only one. Okay, that sounds kind of weird. Okay, let's go. Playing with Hero Hunter. Oh my god, I hate when this happens. Let's go. Wait, I thought I was in the edit. Oh my god, I freaking missed. Teleport. To prove, guys, I am new. I'm showing you guys like that. I'm showing you guys this. Yep, only 3 emotes, which is Crush, Dual Request, and Exercise 2. And I'm pretty sad because of that. Day nice circle. Let's go. Oh my god, I fucking missed. Broski, get good. Oh my. Why do I want to jump like in a minute? Sorry guys. Like I'm in an edit. Like that's so weird. What the heck? Like my favorite brother. Today, guys, I will be making POVs about something. Sorry, I was meant to press the Hero Hunter. Today we're going to get ult. And then do a combo with the ult. And then go to POVs. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh my god. Well, I have the ult, so let's just... Yep. In this situation, what will you do? Like, a random guy would just come and do whatever they want on you and just... Like, that's so mean. How does the creator even allow this? No. Okay. I did a combo 2 times. And now let's go to some random POVs. First POV. Let's do this. Okay. First POV is POV. What the heck? freaky ass. Actually, oh my god, that's so talented.
Drawing my follows Roblox avatar. Let's surprise some of these cuties.
That's so talented. Oh my god. The more really you think you won't like me. What the fuck? So much drama. Kids on YouTube. Wait. Kids on YouTube put their mom's fake lashes mascara and talking about their life so-called trauma. Oh, I know what player is 456. It's Gihan. That's Gihan.
To the 12 people always liking my post, y'all want anything from the gas station?
That's so sad. What the Sigma? Ding, 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 ding. That's why I love you.
How come every time I need to take a poo in the bathroom, you out of the blue need to use the bathroom, just use the guest room bathroom?
Well, guys, I think that's it for the video. Goodbye.